Oh man, talk about a crazy day for Soundhound AI today, guys. The stock went up around 2.3% on the day, but earlier, let's just say it was up a lot more and there was a lot of volatility, and we have to break it down in this video, the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. I'm telling you, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So, Soundhound AI, like I said, ticker symbol SOUN. This stock was moving like crazy. We opened up at around $19, a little bit under $20, and initially we sold down to about 1950, and then we ripped all the way to 2160. That was a move of around $2, guys, over $2, about 11%. Big move there. Then we gave back that entire gain and some, right? We got down to 1940 by about 10:30 a.m. East Coast time. Then we went on a heater. Soundhound AI ripped from 1940 all the way to 2230. That was a 14% move, which is nuts. And then we sold off a little bit into close, but ultimately, man, the bulls dominated the day today, and we have to cover it in this video. I mean, this is insane. It looks like here we are potentially putting in a short-term bottom, at least on the 5-day, 5-minute. And we called that out. Didn't we talk about that in my video yesterday? Do you guys remember that? I mean, look, we held about $19 yesterday. We did the day before that as well. And today, this morning, we actually double bottomed at about 1940, 1950, and then we bounced, right? Saw the big move that we saw, and we took out the highs from yesterday, and now looks like we tested, what day was this? Tuesday, whatever day that was. The day before, trading day before yesterday, we opened at about 2240, and we tested that today. So ultimately, guys, Soundhound AI in the short term is starting to gain momentum again. Bulls are coming alive after this stock sold off a good 20-30%, whatever it was. But we got to still break out of 2250. My alert is set there. I think I set that yesterday, and it's for a reason. We have to break out of there, and we failed to do that today. If we pull up the 30-minute chart, you guys can see 2250 was also resistance roughly in the end of December, middle of December as well. So even more reasons for that, that level needing to break. And look at this time frame here, guys. This is the 1-hour chart. As of now, we are making higher lows, but with today's rejection at 2240.50 roughly, we put in another lower high, and it kind of looks like a wedge, does it not? We're putting in higher lows and lower highs at the same time. It looks like a wedge. So we have to pick direction. What are we going to do? Are we going to dump under here, start going back under $20 again, or do we break 2250 like we just covered and start going mid-20s again, high 20s? I think that could happen. I really do, but we just got to break over 2250, and we're going to have to be patient. That's what it comes down to, guys. We just have to be patient. And let's see. On the 4-hour, I mean, you can kind of see the same thing. Higher lows, lower highs, the wedge here, the whole 9 yards. And today we actually got rejected right by the 50 moving average on this time frame. So keep that in mind. That level, ideally for the bulls, that would retake. We'll see. And to play devil's advocate here, guys, I am noticing a head and shoulders to play devil's advocate a little bit. Do you guys see it here on The 4-hour chart, a little bit. I mean, we do have a neckline at about 2250. It all comes back to 2250, right? The neckline's right at that point. That needs to break. And we do have a head and shoulders. We do, but that needs to break. So the head and shoulders breaks, and overall, we just get a full-on breakout and a continuation play here. So I liked the signs that we saw this morning of momentum coming back in, but we just failed to get that final push at 2250, which we just have to do, right? We have to break out of there. I'm waiting for it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For now, for me, I'm not in this as a trade. I mean, I personally covered in my video, I think a couple days ago, I'm not looking to buy this as an investment here. I think the valuation is a little too frothy for me for now. But as a trade, for sure, I'd consider it, and I'm waiting for that break, like I said. So we have a couple more minutes. We might as well cover some stocks today that moved like crazy. There's 3 on my watch list that moved over 20%. I mean, this is nuts. OKLO. Yeah, OKLO. You guys remember this one? 24% in the green. It completely ripped today. $5.40 in the green. And, well, let's just say it's back. It's back to breaking out again, which it took about a month off. I know it was a little rough, right? Being a little sarcastic considering how much it went up before that, but we hit 28, pulled down to about 17. Now we're back to 27. This looks like on the charts we're about to test and break out of the highs from early November. So OKLO, 24% green day, unbelievable. And what is my dog doing in there, guys? Oh man, she's on, I don't even know what she's doing, making some noise in there. She's like fussing around. I'm trying to see if she's like tearing anything apart. She's not. So we're good there. We're good. Okay, where was I? Rivian also ripped today. 24%. $3.20. And I wonder what's going on. I think I missed Rivian, why it went up. Let's see here, guys. Probably. Yeah, I figured they released their numbers. Yeah, they produced 12,700 vehicles and delivered 14,100 during Q4. And they 2024 they produced 49,000 and delivered 51,000. Okay, I guess the market really liked that. We got that news this morning. Rivian's breaking out. Multi-month high for the stock, guys. And I mean, look, this is a clear-cut inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see that here on Rivian? Clear-cut inverse head and shoulders. Pretty clear as day there. So maybe more upside on this. Momentum's definitely in the Bulls' favor, obviously. And let's do one more. What else? Nikola. I mean, oh my gosh, guys. Nikola. 24%. Are all of these going up 24%? I mean, oh my gosh. NKLA, Nikola, 24%. What is going on here, guys? I don't know. But this stock, obviously, I'm not going to buy it. I'm not a fan of Nikola. Maybe they turn things around. Hopefully they do. I hope for their sake. But yeah, man, 24%. It's up like crazy, and maybe I'll trade it. I'm not going to buy it as a long-term investment, I mean, when I say that, guys. But it looks like, what's the news today on this? I'm not seeing anything, at least here on the live news tab. But, man, what a day. What a day, not only for Nikola, Rivian, and OKLO, but also Soundhound AI, right, and the entire stock market. The VIX went down 10%, right? Volatility got squashed. The Russell went up 1.6, SPY 1.2, Dow 0.8%, QQQ, which one am I missing? 1.6. Either way, all of them crushed, guys. Big day for the stock market today. And what a way, honestly, what a way to kick off 2025, right? We had a rough, rocky day the first trading day of the year, but today was solid, was really good. And I'm pumped for next week. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Sign up to the email list. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every single Monday for free. That is linked down below. Check out the Patreon as well if you want to keep up with my portfolio, my moves, what I'm doing. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. It's pretty much free money, guys. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. And you're like, Stas, wait, it's not free money. I'm putting in money, right? Well, guys, if you don't like Moomoo, which I think you will, but if you don't like it, you want to take your money out, you take all your money out that you deposited, and guess what? You keep all your free stocks. So it is free money. So use that link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.